Oh, Scuff and Wessex blades. Something just arrived in the post. Quick unboxing. Let's just see what this is, shall we? Possible clue. Okie dokie. Looking good. Using my pack Kellen there. It's an Oknife. Oknife. Some drama with this one. Each Oknife is finely tuned by hand and expertly engineered for a best possible performance. Stay sharp with your new Oknife. Certain quality elements in there. The pivot pin, metallic blue, pocket clip, Olight blue, thumb stud both sides, metallic blue, got a flipper top. Very nice. Blacked blade. Steel is, looks to be N690. Scales, liner. It's a liner lock. Very comfortable. Good retention. Obviously, when it locks, there has to be some form of mechanism, like an indent or something, to stop it just falling open. So it does have good retention on closed. Very nice. It's very light as well. So, a more full review coming up very soon. Initial impressions. New Oknife from Olight, and comes in. There's something very heavy in there. What's this? Got one of those token medal things. Awesome. Right. Very nice. Then that goes in there. So far, with about 30 minutes of fiddling. Well done, guys. That is there's a lot of work goes into making a folder. A lot of work. You've got to get everything to work, balance, pivot, look handsome when it's closed, look even better when it's actually open. So, all done. I like the finger section there, that cut out. That fits my hand, I suppose, average size, average thickness. But my index finger goes brilliantly into not only that section there, that finger section, but with the cutout as well, and the sculpting of it. The liner itself, you look down through, it's got circle holes in it, so it's been skeletonized, so that's why it's reasonably light. The pocket clip looks very strong. Beautiful blue colouring. It's an N690, which is a bowler steel, and it's blackened as well, so I mean, shouldn't really have any corrosion issues on that. The grinding on it is very nice. The jimping on it, it's a bit smooth, but it's got a ramp anyway. All in all, very good effort. So, anybody watching up until 2 o'clock today, there is a live sort of promo thing for this and other things with the OFans event on olight.co.uk. So in the next 2 hours or so, everybody's watching the video. After that, obviously, it could still be available. But this product, the Oknife Drever, will be available soon. Been a long time coming. It's very nice. Close-up's coming.